Hi everyone, I wanted to share something with you. Did you know that for 20 years I told myself that I couldn't paint, that I would make a mess and it would just not be worth it? And it's something I have regretted. I'd go to galleries and look at amazing artists and think, what's even the point of trying? It's never going to live up to that perfection and I wouldn't enjoy it. I wouldn't even enjoy trying. So, because it's held me back, and in retrospect, I can see how I've had that kind of conversation with myself about other areas of my life, and I don't want to do that anymore. I decided to take an art class, a mindful painting class at Masterpeace Studio, and I made this. I'm really proud of it. It's not perfect, but the process of painting was actually blissful and not that angst that I imagined it would be. So I tell you this because when I teach students, they all tell me that I'm not creative, I can't do this, I can't draw, I haven't done this since school. And I listen to them, and because I know exactly how they feel, I'm really confident that I can guide my students, I can guide you to try my paper cut and textile collage technique. When I made up the technique about 6 years ago, one of the reasons I enjoyed it is because I could be neat and precise. Remember how I said paint was messy and unpredictable? I got a lot of comfort from clean lines and just the process of concentrating, because you've got a knife in your hand, is very peaceful and relaxing and it's self-soothing. So time and time again in my art class, once the nervous laughter stops and people focus, they really get the benefits of trying something new. And this is why creating in any form is really mindful, because in each moment you have the opportunity to take a breath and take action and just keep going. That perseverance is really important, and just that space to create is wonderful. So I'm inviting you to my next art class. It's on the 1st of Feb. It's at Made in Greenwich on Creek Road, really close to Cutty Sark, DLR and Greenwich train station, and just a short bus ride from North Greenwich. In my class, I am confident that you will surprise yourself, and it doesn't matter if you think you can't draw. It doesn't matter if you haven't created since school. Just give yourself the opportunity to try, and you can shatter that limiting belief that you have about yourself and prove yourself wrong, because you will take away a piece of art that you love, means something to you, and it's an emblem of the fact that you tried. And I really hope it spills out into other areas of your life. I can see how that's happened for some of my students, and it gives them that sense of pride, and everybody deserves that, because we can all create. I really believe that to be true. So yeah, message me if you're interested, and leave a comment below if there's any limiting beliefs that you have that you want to shatter and break through, because the more we talk about it, the more we can help each other. So on that note, Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year.